Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Asmani's Glam and Gorgeous. So now in this short video, I've brought to you certain home remedies for certain problems. So first, let us look at this problem, nails discoloration. Some people have this blackish discoloration on the nails and they are also having hang nails problem. So that might be due to any internal issue also. But you can try these home remedies. So the home remedy for this nail discoloration problem, sometimes you're getting the black discoloration on the nails and you're also having this hang nails issue. So for that you can use a mixture of malai and lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of malai and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And you can add echinacea is a homeopathic medicine. You can add the mother tincture, 1 teaspoon of this echinacea medicine. You get it in liquid form, echinacea, echinacea mother tincture liquid. You take 1 teaspoon of this and add this to the malai and lemon juice mixture. You can apply it on the nails externally. It is going to reduce all the discoloration on your nails, and if you're having even any infection or any fungal infection, it is also going to reduce that. So friends, do try this mixture externally if you're having any nail issues like discoloration, blackish or grayish discoloration on the nails, and you're having hang nails issues. Try this over the nails. Now, the next home remedy I'm going to tell you is for the tanning or blackish discoloration under the eyes or the nose area, around the nose area. What you can do is you can take a mixture of almond powder. You can add some honey to this. You can add some aloe vera to this. So 1 teaspoon of each, 1 teaspoon of almond powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and you can add 1 teaspoon of a homeopathic liquid. Again, the medicine name is hydrocotyle. Is a homeopathic medicine. You can get it in the mother tincture liquid form, hydrocotyl is the spelling of the medicine. So hydrocotyle medicine, you can use the liquid form of this, 1 teaspoon of this liquid. So you can make a nice mixture out of this, nice paste out of this. 1 teaspoon of almond powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and 1 teaspoon of hydrocotyle liquid. You can make a nice mixture paste out of this, and you can apply it in the under eye area where there is blackish discoloration, and around the nose area or around the lips area. You can use this mixture. It will you can use it 2 times a week or 3 times a week. It will reduce all the discoloration in this area, and it is also going to reduce the dryness of the skin if you have any in this area. Okay, now one more home remedy, I have tried it. It is very good in case of cracks. Okay, cracks over your fingers or cracks on your heels, soles basically. Now nowadays in the COVID situation, we are using a lot of soaps and lot of sanitizers, so there is going to be dryness of hands. So there are also bound to be cracks over your hands and fingers. So basically this mixture, this home remedy, if you try it in this period, it is going to help you a lot. This home remedy consists of, what you can do is you can take 1 teaspoon of papaya. Okay, papaya fruit, you can take 1 teaspoon of the papaya pulp. You can take 1 teaspoon of banana. Okay, the pulp of banana, 1 teaspoon of that. You can add some malai to this, 1 teaspoon of malai, or you can add even 1 teaspoon of honey to this. And you can add berberis aquifolium. Berberis is another homeopathic medicine. Berberis aquifolium is the name of the medicine. You can take 1 teaspoon of liquid of the berberis aquifolium mother tincture. Okay, so you can take a mixture, you can make a mixture out of all of these. 1 teaspoon of papaya pulp, 1 teaspoon of banana pulp. You can add 1 teaspoon of honey to this or malai to this, and 1 teaspoon of berberis aquifolium mother tincture. Okay, make a nice paste out of this and apply it all over the cracked area, even on the palms, fingers of the palms and fingers of the hands. And you can even apply it in the arms area or forehand area and over the soles. Okay, when you are having cracks over these areas, it is going to fill in these cracks. Okay, and it will also reduce the general dryness of the skin. So do try these home remedies. It's a short video, but it is a very useful video for the certain skin problems I've told you. So do try these home remedies and it will help you to a great extent. Thank you. See you again with a new video.